hard point for your team. Teammate was sent to the gulag. Fight for a chance to deploy. Your teammate has failed. They're returning to base.
Got them all.
Nice.
Of course, there's another fucking team.
Waiting for you in the gulag.
Oh!